Watch it now. You bunch of batty man we pack up on the social media. Shut. Well, the amount of chichi man them we pack up on the social media. Me no know where them come from. Bam 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 diggly diggly bam. Well, say them batty boy when they on the social media. Say every day, me say them find themselves on the social media. Me no understand man. Yeah, me have to go in a me closet man. Take out me M16 man, put it on me lap. Take out me machete man, sit it on me lap to the see man. Cause in the time, them boy they want come cross man. Me a go make sure me use them thing man. Nah take it out, and I go use it you see. Jamaican pay me come fit tell. Me say some boy, me see them on the YouTube man and on the social media. Bunch of batty man, them they will let them get shot. The bag of batty man, them when me see on the social media. No for them a go like him no get down man pon them knees. And you know say them boy they get down pon them knees man. Well no, even know say them boy they a man a take dick inna them mouth man. Them boy they say them nasty man. Them get shot inna them blood clot face man. Well no, me say me no understand man. Where the bunch of batty man them come from. Say on the social media, bunch of batty man them shut. Yeah, Dr. Love man is a true batty man. The boy they shanty 360 man, a 360 or 360 shit. Me no know. The boy they a batty boy too. And the boy they well name Nico Kev man. See they know the boy they in a blood clot. In a the blood clot cemetery man. Because in the damn bumbo clot God, yeah. Say me no know how come social media got so much batty man. They on social media, the bag of chichi man. Them we got me gun ready for the pussy them anytime. Say the chichi boy them, say they know themself man. Them can't hide themself man. Not from Jamaican P man. Have me radar on anytime man. Shut in a on a bumbo clad face you see man. Every day on a come on the social media thing. Shut. You know no bumbo hole. I wanna think when I got suck on the mama. When I come on social media go like when I do something. Go ahead. Bunch of batty man them. Bumbo hole no say man a play with no bumbo clad batty with them finger. Shut. Bumbo hole them. Man a tick on the batty boy. Stop make the boy them a tick on the batty boy. Stop make the man them a put two finger in a your batty boy. Say you a nasty motherfucker boy. Say me no know how the social media got so much batty man funny. The pussy hole them know themselves. Shut! Me say them know themselves. Lord, me say them boy they need some shot in them head. That's why every day man me go in my closet man get me M16 and put it on me lap and get me machete man and put it on me lap and make sure me have me knife in my blood clot face. They push it up in a pussy hole you see man me say shut. On a bamba well on a bamba clat a come on social media and go like son a bad man on a suck dick. Someone wanna get down on the knees man a put it up on the belly. Shut it on a bamba clat. I wanna think up there.